Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload CapCut projects from Android to PC. So let's get started. If you regularly use this CapCut as your video editor and want to use want to edit your projects to your PC version or vice versa, you can do it by register or log in into CapCut account. You can make CapCut account or you can join into a CapCut Pro. So after that you can use CapCut space, this one. So this is like virtual storage that you can use for free, 15 gigabyte for free. But if you want to upsize, you can make a subscription into like a plan. This one, for example, you can purchase cloud space like 1 terabyte plan, 100 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte plan, and also you can go in pro by get a 100 gigabyte cloud space storage. So the point is you can use this space and you can upload your project by tap three dots beside your project and upload to the space. After that you can tap this upload, so you can use this project on PC or on your mobile version of CapCut. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.